One of the most delicious, healthy, and easy to make soups out there is taco soup. Not only is it a quick lunch or dinner option, but it's also incredibly tasty and full of nutritious ingredients. In this video, you will learn how to make taco soup from scratch with simple ingredients that can be found in most pantries. We'll go through each ingredient needed for the soup so that you can easily prepare it at home. So get ready for a delicious and nutritious meal. The ingredients needed: 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced or chopped 1 large onion, diced 1 pound of lean ground turkey, or beef, 3 carrots, peeled and sliced into thin rounds 1/4 inch thick or cut into thin matchsticks if you prefer whole carrots for the soup. It is important to core the whole carrot before slicing so that it does not have any extra fibrous material in it. The core will be used later to help thicken the soup. Ingredients: 1 large russet potato, peeled, 2 pounds of beef, ground, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1.5 cups of water, mild chili beans, 16 ounces in a can, undrained, whole kernel corn in 1 can, 15 1/4 ounces, drained, 1 can, 15 ounces, washed and drained pinto beans, 14 half ounces in 1 can. Tomatoes in stew, 10 ounces of diced tomato with green chilies from a can. Optional: 1 can, 4 ounces, chopped green chilies, 1 packet of ranch salad dressing. Directions: cook the beef in a Dutch oven over medium heat, crumbling it once it is no longer pink, and then drain. Mix thoroughly after adding taco spice. Add the remaining ingredients and stir up to a boil. Reduce heat, cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Well down.